How you doing, YouTubers? And welcome to I Got a Guy. I Got a Guy is going to be a channel where we go over stuff that I like, that most guys like, I think. Yetis, grills, hunting stuff, fishing stuff, knives, you name it, we're going to do it because I got a guy. In our first video that we'll be doing, we'll be opening up this beautiful 26-inch Weber premium charcoal grill. I don't know if you guys can see, I'm sort of a Weber guy. We have the 22-inch Master Touch charcoal grill, and we have this 4-burner Summit grill. Both in need of a good cleaning, but both great, 100% reliable. Getting back to our newest member of the Weber family here, for I Got a Guy, is the 26-inch Weber Kettle Grill, which I mentioned before, which I'll be opening up the box with this awesome Benchmade Adamas automatic folder, which maybe we can do a video about this in the future. You know why? Because I've got a guy. All right, open along this way. Now, kids, remember, if you're working with a knife, always ask your parents first. Always cut away from yourself, too. I don't want to rip myself open on the first day using this thing. Alright, close this up, lock it up. Always make sure this knife's locked if you have it. It has a tendency to pop open when you drop it. Trust me. Alright, typical Weber packaging over here. Made in the US. Let's see, we have Weber literature, instruction manual, little app stuff. Put this over here so we don't lose it. I'm sure I'm going to need that later. Alright, let's get into the nitty gritty of this. Open this up. .26-inch Weber grill grates. Not exactly 26 inches, but nice heavy duty. I don't know what this is. I know my Weber grills on the 22-inch kettle do not have this feature. Oh wait, this may actually be the charcoal holder. Let's see. Let's see. All right. Got the kettle dome, built-in thermometer, damper. I'm gonna have to put the handle on this. This thing's massive compared to the 22-inch kettle so far. Massive. Let's just set that down right here. Let's see what we got next. We have the assembly. You can see on the Master Touch, the assembly for the ash catcher. Not ass catcher, ash catcher. Alright. Great American quality here. Packing job's excellent. Alright. This is huge. Look at this thing. Massive 26-inch kettle. You don't realize how big this is compared to the 22-inch. Until you actually open it up. I guess size does matter. So my initial observations were correct. This grate over here is the base of the charcoal. Down here is the actual grilling grates. Let's get down to this over here. Legs, rubber wheels. Cooking grates, huge. It's huge. Look at this thing. All right, let's just go check something out over here. Why don't you come over this way? Another great accessory. The lighting charcoal is the Weber Mine's Seen Better Days. It's been in use for a while. Weber charcoal chimney. Now look at the size of this thing. This charcoal tray could actually probably be used. Another great accessory, folks, Vortex. Look at this. The charcoal catch is actually bigger than the actual cooking grate on a 22-inch Weber kettle. Yes, I know I have to clean it. Maybe you, just so you know, when we got you here, we'll do a video on this. This is the Vortex. This is actually the gourmet grilling system where this comes down the middle. But this Vortex over here will actually go down here in the middle, put your charcoal in here, super heats. This needle on here gets buried to the other side. It's super hot. It's great for searing steaks, cooking wings, and so on. I just want to give you guys a comparison of that. Alright, moving back along this way. The rest of the boxing stuff. Weber gives you 2 of these nice charcoal baskets. This also comes standard in the Master Touch, these charcoal baskets, which, to be honest with you, I haven't used yet. I like using my Vortex for indirect cooking and high heat. I'm sure this is sort of the same concept, but I never used them yet. Getting back to this, we have the 3 legs, 2 wheels. Look how big the shelf is that goes in between the legs down there compared to the one in the Master Touch. Anyway, folks, thank you for tuning in to our first I Got a Guy video. Thank you for watching my unboxing of this great 26-inch Weber Kettle Grill. I'm going to get this together. I'm not going to bore you with the details of me putting it together. I'm going to get it together. We'll put another video on how it compares to the Master Touch. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in, and remember, whatever you need, I've got a guy.